We've got 30 packs. You're a lucky man. I'll tell you that. You're a lucky man. Hi, what is up, guys? What is up? Walkout first pack, you know. It's a gold walkout, which I didn't know existed, but it's a walkout first pack. David Silva. I mean, it's the lowest rating of a walkout, except for UCL. Except for a UCL. We haven't gotten the UCL, which is sunshines and rainbows, but... Oh, that's actually hilarious. 2 walkouts in a row. Ansu Fat.
Are you bullying me?
Oh, you've gone all quiet.
Or I can get his new Manchester United card. Either way, I'm happy there. Oh, was that team of the season? Orsic! Oh, he's not a duplicate as well. Definitely walkout, alright? Like, you don't question my methods. It's a walkout. It's still Berkey though. It's still Berkey. Berkey from 2 rare gold players pack. That's a border. Can we get another border? No, we can't. Tease, what's it? Walkout. Team of the season. Portugal. I know why I'm mad, bro. I got that from a 2 rare gold players pack. I should be happy. Yo, be happy. My G now. That's like my first time packing Rudiger. Who needs Nani? Nah, it's all good. It's all good. Because that's a walkout. That's what I thought. That's what I thought. Benega, that's good fodder.
He's good fodder.
Benega, that's good fodder.
Good fodder.
Leave the room pack. LOL. You know what? Why not? It's not bad. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's not bad. We take it. We take a Usif Atal. He's decent. He's decent. He's good fodder. You can't get the Tots pack, so I don't know what I was expecting there. Lekelko. Alright. 88 plus player pick. My friend got 96 for Charleston, which is pretty good. It's pretty good. Can we get the same?
Ooga booga.
I don't think that's very good. I just had to play the clip. It's 98 Hazard. You should get 1 trillion subs. Oh, can we just talk about... there's so many levels to this card. There is so many levels. How a team of the season defender has 80 defending and 78 physical. How the only stat which is above 85 is his pace, which is 97, and he's got the hair of a god. Can we just talk about this card? Honestly, I feel like not putting it into an SBC, but then again, I can buy him for like 10k. Not very good. Not very good. Anik, I sent you something on Discord. I'll check it. I love you too, man. Another Kepper Ariza Blaga. You love to see it, lads. You love to see it. It's how we do it up here. It's how we do it. Kepa Arrizabalaga. The best keeper in world football.
Why not?
Football. Kepa Arrizabalaga. Don't get it mixed up. It's going to be a walkout. Walkout? It's so obvious. Guys, I don't think he saw my club. It's a walkout. Wait, we put more.
You know, Robert Lewandowski.
You know what? We'll do a stat reveal. Why not? There. Book thing to cover it up. Okay. Alt. 60 defending.
Ooh.
He's got 93 dribbling. Oh, I went a bit farther. He's got 86 passing. What the? Yo, what? Alright, it was looking like a decent pack. It's looking a bit worse now. I'm not gonna lie to you. Okay, it's trash. Alright, it's honestly got. Oh. Okay, you know what? Frick. We screwed up the next one, so. Anyway, it looks pretty garbage. It's Torgan. I think these are all duplicates at the moment. Alright. A 93 physical, so it's definitely a defender. Yeah, it's a defender. Oh. Wait, what? What? Bro, the stats actually don't look bad. Oh, it's another defender. That says these are all duplicates? What? Yo, I'm actually gonna kill myself. What is this? Oh, have we just got? Wait, 95 physical. That's not too bad. 92 defending, 92 dribbling, woo! 94 passing. Oh, he's just. Alright, who is that? Alright, he's got 80 pace. He's a stinker. He's a stinker. Alright. 80? What the frick am I meant to do with the 80 physical? 49 defense. Okay, that's not bad. I can't see chat right now, guys. It's on my phone. 95 shooting. I actually can't. Yo, that looks insane. That looks insane. But it's probably trash. Yeah, I knew it was trash. Haven't. Holy. Why have I skipped? I mean, it's good that I skipped because it's trash, but. We started with Alessandrini. So I went all the way here. And I accidentally went back. Oh, that's why it was messed up. Ah. Alright, you guys ready? It's a nose pack though, because I always get good stuff out of nose packs. Come on. Team of the year. Germany, Manuel Neuer. Kimmich. But what is behind the Kimmich is what matters the most. Jadon Sancho. Jadon Sancho. Yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad. If you guys did enjoy, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, do your things. If you're watching on Twitch, give me a little follow. If you're watching on the YouTube, give me a little like, give me a little subscribe. Let me check if you guys did enjoy. Remember to smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, See you guys.